boiled water, minced meat, and sesame,
Meatball.
meatball, I mean.
And then black seaweed.
Black seaweeds. Then, after
Then,
that,
egg.
scrambled egg. Halo-haloin lang.
Okay, patayin mo. Ni anak ko, mainit daw yung cellphone mo. Sabi ko, sige na, i-off mo na.
Bagang ka na nga skip. Amo na.
Okay. Sige na kasi nagluluto ako. Basta. Soup done.
Soup done. See?
Tapos, ante kay spring onion na maganda ka.
Oh. Tapos may spring onion pa kami. One of the simple soup for today. Very simple niya. Minced meat and black seaweeds and egg, scrambled egg. Then after that, you put sprinkle spring onion for the last part. Make it boil a little bit more. Aya! My goodness!
Siyempre, lumangandan sa ikabil ka siyempre. Malaknuson ang.
I thought you just put on the... You scoop out. Once you scoop, I mean, scoop small... Yes, small... You wait. Okay, come. I coming.